You look skinny in a hoodie, but soft without a shirt? That's called being skinny fat. The good news, it's fixable. Here's exactly how. Here's the truth. Most skinny fat people make one of two mistakes. They either eat way too little trying to lose fat, or they bulk too aggressively and gain even more fat. Neither works. So if you want a lean, athletic physique, let's fix that. Step 1. Stop chasing the scale. Your goal isn't just to lose weight, it's to build muscle while reducing body fat. If you only focus on getting lighter, you'll end up looking even skinnier. Instead, focus on changing your body composition. More muscle, less fat. That's the real goal. Step 2. Lift heavy and progress. Forget endless cardio. Your body needs a reason to build muscle. Train with compound exercises like squats, pull-ups or lat pull-downs, bench press or push-ups rows, overhead press, and every week, try to lift a little heavier or do one more rep. That's called progressive overload, and it's the fastest way to transform a skinny fat body. Step 3. Fix your nutrition. You don't need a crazy diet. Just follow 3 simple rules. Eat enough protein, around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Keep your calories around maintenance or in a small deficit if you're carrying extra fat. And stop living on junk food. Whole foods help you recover, build muscle, and stay full. Step 4. Be patient. This isn't a 30-day transformation. Your body needs time. Train consistently. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Stay active every day. Small improvements repeated for months beat extreme diets every time. Consistency always wins. The solution to being skinny fat isn't starving yourself. It's building muscle while slowly reducing body fat. Lift hard, eat enough protein, stay consistent. Do that for the next few months, and your body will look completely different. If you want more simple fitness tips that actually work, hit subscribe and keep training.